Good morning. It's Friday, so on Fridays, we toast. This is all part of my breakfast schedule, which just helps me stay organized throughout the week. It makes the mornings faster and easier. I have a whole video on that, and I will link that. But yeah, on Fridays, I make shit on toast. There's all different kinds of things we can make. Today we're doing avocado toast ×4. Avocado toast is one of those everyday recipes, at least where I live in Southern California. In LA, people eat it every day. People pay $16 per toast. No joke, but of course, if we make all of this ourselves, it's very cost effective. So we can feed ourselves and then go buy our $8 lattes. Today we're gonna make our own the way that we should, because really it should never cost $16. I have 4 of my favorite variations here. Everything comes together quickly. I already mashed my avocado. I'm gonna put all 4 of these recipes in my everyday book because avocado toast is one of those staples. So everything that we're making today can be used with avocado or hummus. Hummus toast is amazing as well. So we're just gonna jump right in. I'm gonna start with my favorite. All right, so the first we're gonna do is avocado, of course. I usually use 1 big avocado for 2 toasts. Today I had really dinky, tiny ones, but they were the only ripe ones. And of course, that's the key, I should mention. They need to be very ripe. We're gonna add some cheddar cheese, strawberries, and a drizzle of honey. Yummy. And look how pretty. That's our first one. I should also mention, I started a little business selling home goods. These plates are for sale on my website, and they're so cute, as is everything on there. All right, now we're gonna do tomato and basil. My favorite. I guess I said that last time, but tomato and basil, you can never go wrong. And this one is actually even better with hummus. Of course, you can do it with avocado, but I like it better with hummus. And I usually will use a balsamic glaze, which is like a thicker, it's like a balsamic syrup. I only have balsamic vinegar today, so that's what we're gonna get down with, which is fine. Whoopsies, yep, see, the glaze would have been thicker and that would have never happened. It's okay, it's still gonna be good. I'm just gonna do a little lighter. There we go, little splashes, that's what we need. Ooh la la, yummy. Look at how fast. I mean, of course it's fast when I have everything in front of me. In the mornings, I try to make it fast. Of course, I do not make variations. Whatever I have is what everyone gets. I'm definitely in the business of no finicky children. No picky eating is allowed. Literally, you will go hungry if you don't eat what I make. Shit on toast. You know, it's because I was adding so many different things, and I was like, I'm just gonna put shit on toast. I'm just gonna put shit on toast. Whatever shit I have goes on toast. It was a whole chapter. I only recently took it out. I don't even have a toast chapter anymore. I have a baked goods and bread chapter. It was more logical in the long run, like a whole chapter of shit on toast. I mean, I like avocado toast, but I don't think I need 12 recipes of toast recipes. So it was a strategic decision. And then I changed it to Fridays we toast, which is still fun, although I start toasting on Wednesdays. This one is microgreens and little sliced radish, number 3. And last but not least, we're gonna do our hard-boiled egg with some fresh parsley. This stuff is straightforward, and anyone who does buy my book in the future will see simple food is my favorite kind of food. I used to make very complex recipes when I was first starting out, and maybe that was because I didn't have children. Now, easy is good, but simple is also just beautiful. When you see all of your ingredients, you're like, wow, I made something so amazing out of that. It's inspiring. I love food, but not all food. I love beautiful, clean ingredients, and that's what this is. All right, hard-boiled eggs with a little bit of fresh parsley. Beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna get this space cleaned up, and then I'm gonna show my kids what I've made because it's so visually appealing. They're gonna be excited. I'll let them choose which one. I'm gonna guess no one chooses the radish, but we'll see. Okay. All right, we're gonna sprinkle a little lemon on this one. Does anyone want to do salt and pepper? Little pepper. Ooh, that one's for me. Okay. Wow, honey. Okay, a little salt. Oh, yeah. Here, honey, you can have, here, Romeo. Have a tomato. So here we have it, avocado toast times 4. Huh? So this is what it's like when you present your masterpiece to your children. They pick off half of it and enjoy what they want. But this is real life, hey guys. Fridays, we toast. Okay.